Hey, this is Paul. Thanks for checking out organic Eureka lemons. Now you can see I got these at our local grocery store and they come out of Temecula, California, and they are USDA organic. Now, what I like about these beautiful lemons is they can be 5 to 6 centimeters in diameter. They're kind of in an oblong to an elliptical shape. They weigh about a half pound, as you can see, and then they'll have more of a flat side and then a nipple. And these are quite common, beautiful citrus. I really do like these Eureka lemons, especially when I use them for cooking. Now, the peel can be thick and kind of clingy. Let's cut one open and take a look at it. You can see. Now, they are not seedless. They will have some cream-colored seeds, but usually not too many. Now, there's lots of oil glands in this fruit, so the skin can look a bit textured. You see kind of the bubbles, or bumps, I guess you could say. And I can automatically smell these beautiful aromatic aromas coming out of this citrus as I cut it. Now you can see it's really nice and juicy. It's really a pretty fruit. Skin is not too thick. It's got a really pretty rind, actually. Now they call this the Four Seasons lemon because you can find it. It's available just about year round. And it actually came from Los Angeles, California back in the 1800s. So it's been around a while. The flesh can be actually kind of greenish too. Although you can see that these look really pretty in just that nice kind of white, off-white color. Look at that, this one's beautiful as well. So I'll take a taste of this. It's not really designed to eat it. I would not eat it. I would make lemonade out of it. I would use it for cooking. I would use the zest in a lot of dishes. You can see the membrane there. But it's very firm. You can see it's not leaking juice all over. Nice little lemon. Woo! Pucker up. Woo! I got a lot of acidity, tartness, sour, but then it fades and you get a nice sweetness. I would not eat these for a snack, but again, great to cook with. Now I'm really curious to see the sugar content on this citrus, so let's check it out. I'm gonna guess it's like 8, I don't know. Can't be above 10, I'd be surprised. 5.8. So definitely on the tart side. And I'll explore some more lemons in the future because I'm curious. I want to see what's the sweetest lemon. It's got to be out there. It's got to be one at least double the sweetness. If you put some sugar on that, it'd be pretty good. Pretty darn good. But again, this beautiful citrus is mainly used for cooking. The zest, the aromatic oils, the juices are used for cooking as well. And I think it would make a really good lemonade as long as you toss in a nice amount of sugar. So there you go, organic Eureka lemons, bit on the tart side, but beautiful, widely cultivated, easily available, and delicious to use in the kitchen. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. Until next time.